Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Activecampaign personalization tags effectively for your email marketing. Personalization tags help make your emails feel more tailored, more relevant, and far more engaging, and learning how to use them properly can significantly improve your open rates and interactions. To get started, head over to the Activecampaign website and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your account name and proceed to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the campaign section in the main menu and click on it. This will show all your previous campaigns and give you the option to create a new one. Now, click on Create a Campaign. Then give your campaign a clear and meaningful name so you can easily identify it later. After naming it, click Next to move forward. You'll now be prompted to choose how you'd like to design your email. For this tutorial, select the Email Designer option since it's easy to use and gives you a lot of control. Once the designer opens, choose a template that matches the tone and goal of your message. After selecting it, you'll enter the main editing area. Click inside any text block to start editing. On the editing menu, you'll see an option to add personalization. Click on it to open a list of available personalization tags. These tags can include first name, last name, email address, phone number, or any other data you've collected about your contacts. For example, if you choose first name, Activecampaign will automatically insert the subscriber's actual name when sending the email. This small touch helps your audience feel seen and increases the likelihood that they'll read and respond to your message. You can use personalization tags in your greeting, within your main content, or even in your subject line to make your messages stand out. Just be sure that the data you're personalizing actually exists in your contact list, so nothing appears blank. Personalization is one of the simplest ways to make your emails feel more human and more relevant. By experimenting with different tags, you'll be able to discover what resonates most with your audience and what leads to better engagement. And that's it. Now you know how to use personalization tags in Activecampaign to create meaningful and effective email campaigns. Happy marketing!